Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I will show you the latest update on how you can trade on Monopoly Go. Now, in order to trade your cards or stickers, just tap on the album button right here at the bottom right hand corner beside the friends icon. And here, basically, you will find all your stickers. Now, if we're going to select one of the stickers here, and here you'll find all the cards or stickers, but you can actually trade your cards if they have the duplicates. So like here, for example, we have +1, +2, meaning these stickers have some duplicates. Now, in order to trade this one, just need to tap on this sticker with a duplicate, like from here, as you can see. Now, what we're going to do, just need to tap on this send to friend button. And here, once you tap on this button, you will find all your friends. So you just need to select any of your friend here to basically make an exchange or trade. And at the bottom, you will find make an exchange. And if you're going to tap on the I to see the information, as you can see, you can now safely propose, accept, or decline sticker exchanges with your friends. Then select your friend and then toggle on this make an exchange and then tap on this continue button. Once you tap on continue button, as you can see, your friend now has 24 hours to offer you sticker in return. And then tap on this exchange button. Now once you tap on this exchange button, all you need to do here is you just have to wait until they receive that proposed sticker next time they play the game. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.